Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a quick protective style that is easy to install and easy to take down. So before this I did mini braids, and to be honest it was testing my patience, and that's why I opted to try a simple protective style, which is flat twist. So I divided my hair from ear to ear, and honestly when I started this I wanted to do flat twist at the front and then at the back the twist, but I decided to do flat twist all the way through. Yeah, so this is the first section. As you can see, they are not small. I'm doing medium sized one. I guess they're just jumbo. So this is the moisturizing cream that I've been telling you guys about, that I formulated, and so far it's doing an amazing job. And I'm applying this on my ends because I'm on the length retention journey and I want to make sure that I retain my length. So I'm focusing mainly on my ends because I tend to get single strand knots a lot. So I make sure that I moisturize my ends really well, and you're going to see at the end how I'm going to coil my ends so that I can prevent any single strand knots from forming. One thing I'm going to emphasize on is when it comes to length retention, you need to focus on the length of your hair. Well, I started the hair growth challenge series and I I grew my hair really well, and that is, I don't have a problem when it comes to growing my hair, but the problem that I had was retaining my length. So you need to make sure that when you're retaining your length, you need to focus on the length, and that is why you see me applying the moisturizing cream on my ends to make sure that my ends are very well protected and they are moisturized all the time, because if your ends are dry they're just going to cause lots of breakage. And to be honest, this cream has been doing an amazing job, and so far I'm loving how it's keeping my hair moisturized for a longer period of time, and it's also protecting my ends from forming those single strand knots and fairy knots. And as you can see, it's helping my detangling to be much easier, but I wouldn't advise you guys to be detangling your hair all the time. Like I said before, I only detangle my hair when I'm pre-pooing my hair, and I always use flaxseed gel to pre-poo my hair. And now here I'm using this moisturizing cream because it has an amazing slip. That is why you see me detangling, but I'm not detangling that much. I'm just trying to detangle it enough so that I can be able to create this flat twist. To be honest, when it comes to flat twist, this is the easiest protective style that I do to my hair, and I just love how chunky they look. So this is what I do to my ends. I just coil the ends to the twist, to the length of the hair. So I'm just going to form small knots. They're not knots and they look like bantu knots, but I don't really know how to explain this to you guys. But as you can see, I'm just coiling, is it coiling or wrapping my ends to the hair. Yeah, so that is going to stretch the ends, and that is going to prevent the ends from drying. Also, it's going to prevent the ends from shrinking back, because you know the single strand knots are going to form when when the ends are just coiling back to itself, and then they form that knot. Yeah, so that's basically what I am doing, and I'm trying my best to explain exactly what I'm doing, and I hope that you can see what I'm trying to say here. And as you can see, I'm still coating my ends with the moisturizing cream. Yeah, so as you can see, my hair is well moisturized. You need to make sure that before protective styling, moisturize your hair. Make sure that you moisturize your hair every single time. Your hair needs to be well moisturized, well lubricated. Yeah, so that was the front section, and at the back, as you can see, to be honest, when it comes to parting, I'm not the best, and I don't really care that much when it comes to parting. Yeah, especially when I'm doing bigger or chunkier twist like this, I don't really mind if the parting looks weird. So the first time I did the twist, I didn't like how they looked, so I ended up changing it and did the flat twist instead. So I don't know why I decided to do that, but to be honest, it was a very cute hairstyle. We're going to see afterwards. So at the back section, the front row, the first row, sorry, the first row, I just did 3 flat twist. And yeah, so I made sure that I coated my ends with the moisturizing cream all the way. And as you can see, I'm detangling the hair because I don't want my hair to be matted. I don't want my ends to get dry. I'm just protecting my ends, guys. So that's the main thing that I'm doing, because I want this protective style I want it to be mainly about length retention. Yeah, so that is what my goal right now is, to do everything that I can to retain my length. Yeah, so this is all I am doing, guys. I'm doing flat twist in each section. As you can see, the twists are chunky, and don't worry about the white stuff. That's the moisturizing cream that I applied on there, but don't worry, once it dries, it doesn't really have those white flakes. So lately I've been having a few issues with my scalp. My scalp has been itching a lot, and I've been having flakes. So I feel like it's because I stopped oiling my scalp. I used to oil my scalp, and that was actually helping a lot, but I stopped, and I believe that that is the problem. So what I want to do is, my next wash day, I want to exfoliate my scalp, and I also want to focus on oiling my scalp the first day, because I've realized that once I neglect oiling my scalp, I get really dry patches, and these dry patches cause lots of dandruff. As you can see, my scalp has very many flakes. I know, like, the video you can't see it clearly, but if you saw me in person, you'd see them. I was trying my best to remove them the safest way possible. I was just trying to remove them. As you can see, some of them are there, so I need to focus on that. I don't even know why I stopped oiling my scalp, and it was helping. Another thing I stopped doing was massaging my scalp. That is something that I realized was helping me a lot, so I'm going to implement that in my routine. I'm going to be massaging my scalp and oiling my scalp, so I'm going to make a video on that. Yeah, so if you're interested, kindly comment down below and tell me, and if there's any question you have, just ask down below in the comment section, or if there's anything you want to add, feel free. And if you want to join me in this length retention challenge, kindly just subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, so that's all you need to do, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So I am documenting everything that I'm doing to my hair, and I'm sharing everything. I'm not hiding anything, I'm just going to share everything. Yeah, so this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out, and to be honest, I just love how flowy it was. I just love how it felt, how it looked. Just look at how shiny that hair is. My hair is well protected and well moisturized, and I decided to add a few beads and cuffs. Yeah, so I just wanted to have a little bit of dramatic effects there. Yeah, so this is the close-up of how the hair looks, and to be honest, I'm in love with the protective style. And I decided to change the shirt later because I felt like the shirt was not doing me justice and doing the hair justice. So that's it, guys. That's all for this video, and I hope you like this protective style. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Just tell me down below what you think about this protective style. Would you do it? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.